sunshine. So we are still here in Koh Rong, Cambodia, where are the nice beaches is. And today I'm gonna tour you here in this island, in this beach called Long Beach, because it's really long from here goes there. Long Beach. For the main time, they call this beach as Sok San Beach. So starting from here, go there. I'm gonna tour you. Okay, let's go. This is also perfect for you if you wanted to be alone, if you wanted to be a quiet place, if you wanted to be just or if you wanted to your friends or your family, you don't like the crowded beaches, then you can come here, because here that one is a pier, and then that boat will stop you on that pier, and you can take a swim here in this beach. Yes, guys, so here we go. And also look at the color of the water, everyone. It's magical. The water is clear and there is no trust in the water, diba? So, and it's a good weather, so you can enjoy this kind of vacation or chilling like that. Here in Koh here in Koh Rong Island, all the beaches here is nice and clear, so everyone, I recommended you, if you are in Cambodia, just come here in one of the islands here in Cambodia, because you will never regret of coming here, because of the clear water, the view, the peaceful, how fresh the water is, and how fresh the air here. If you are tired in the city life, then why not to come here, right? Yes, you have to come here. Coffee. Ah, there are many people over there, guys. I think they are. Let me see. But first we have to pass this one. These three are. It's a Cambodian. They are from Cambodia. Ah! Yeah. Oh! Wow! So many fish here in this side. Oh, we have so many fish. See? If there are so many fish, you will see in the shore, meaning the water is clean. See, they are chilling here. Chilling.